So after Adam and Eve sinned, the original sin in the Garden of Eden, then we were all born, everyone here, everyone who's been born already, and those who haven't been born yet, are born with a sin nature. Even that little baby that's in the back corner there, born with a sin nature. So what did Jesus do? God did not want to leave us that way. That wasn't the way he planned it, but he knew it would happen. So what he did was he said, I'll send that Passover lamb down to the earth. This lamb will be perfect. There'll be no blemishes. And it was my son, Jesus Christ. And he will lead a perfect life and show us how to do that when we can't do that.